What's going on, everybody? Bones here with Cajun RNEWBBQ. Today we're gonna try to beat everything to get this cooking before the rain. More dump trucks pass by again today because they ain't through with that carbon pumping yet. Just had about a stream of about 10 pass by while I was trying to film this previous intro. So today we're gonna do up some St. Louis style barbecue ribs. We're gonna use up some baby back ribs, but they're gonna be St. Louis style ribs. Stick around, we're gonna get right to it. So, letting y'all know this now, with the way this shoulder is, I just don't have it to go ahead and pull the back of this membrane off. Just don't have it. So, we're gonna go ahead and score this membrane. I know that's gonna disappoint a bunch of y'all. Just letting y'all know that now. I just don't have it. So, we're going to go ahead and get rid of that chain meat, whatever that little bits is hanging off. I have a garbage can right over here. Alright, now you just go ahead and start scoring that. It breaks that connectivity of the tissue. It'll be okay, folks. You can do a lot of scoring or a little bit. I choose to do a good bit of scoring, especially with this shoulder. Now, my shoulder is now wiped out. So, we're going to go ahead and remove a glove. In this shaker, I've got paprika, some cayenne, onion powder, garlic powder, and cumin. That's it. No salt, no pepper, nothing. Just that. We're going to go and let it roll. I know some of y'all are like, why no salt? Why no pepper? That's what they called for. Got nice, beautiful red color. Now we're doing this a nice bit of time ahead, so we're going to go ahead and let this sweat in while we get our grill up to temp. We're going to roll with 250 degrees. I'm doing it on the pellet grill with some Royal Oak pellets, the charcoal pellets that they make. We're going to go ahead and put these ribs on the smoker. Bunch them up, because how you put them on there is how they cook. So, this recipe is quite simple. You just put the ribs on there, set it, and kind of forget it, except for spritzing it with some apple juice every 30 minutes to 45 minutes. Flipping it over, spritzing it, and let it just ride till it's tender. When it gets close to being done, mine's hitting about 3.5 to 4 hours right now. Go ahead and put on the sauce, which it involves some stone ground mustard and some maple syrup. Now, let's go ahead and make up that sauce. Go ahead and put in a little bit of that mustard. And pour in some maple syrup. Just like that, folks. We're going to see how this comes out. All right, let's go ahead and move over to our ribs on the smoker. Let's go ahead now and baste, as my shoulder does not want to cooperate right now. We're going to go ahead and put that sauce on the bottom. Probably asking, why didn't you move it to a cutting board and put it back? I'll tell you why. It's shoulder. We're doing the least amount of work because it is shoulder. Oh, them geese are gonna have to go up in a minute. I just heard the rumble of the thunder. All right, let's go ahead and turn this back over. As the shoulder does not want to cooperate anymore. Oh yeah, they gotta go up. That rain is starting to come. There we go. 20 minutes now. All right. Well, we are done. So let's go ahead and pull this rack off. If my shoulders are gonna work for me. There we go. And we're done. And so is the geese's time outside because the rain decided to get here a couple minutes earlier. So had to go run and put them up. Back to the ribs now. They look beautiful. Nice little pockets of where the mustard and maple syrup kind of pooled together and then caramelized over top of the ribs. So those are going to be real good eating. I'm getting a nice strong mustard smell coming off these ribs. So let's go ahead and cut into them. Again, with my bad shoulder because I'm left-handed and you don't want to see me cut anything with the right arm. I'm a little spastic there with that. So let's see how well we do. Let's try to find a spot here. All right. Let's show you the prettier side because I was cutting into a bone. There we go on that one. There we go. See the nice little smoke ring? God, I hope the doctor agrees to giving me a surgery next week. I'll let y'all know if he does. Stay tuned, people. I really need that surgery. Alright, let's go ahead and take a bite. Oh yeah, folks. Nice bits of paprika, onion. I can taste some of that mustard and maple syrup from it. Tastes real good, folks. If you like what I'm doing, you know what to do. Thank you for watching. You have a good day. I'm gonna go take a rest now. Put some ice on this shoulder. Y'all have a good one.